We finally have an exhaust system for the G87 M2. In this one, let's unbox the kit and show you what we got. Ever since I started this channel and I started this journey with this BMW, I've been wanting to partner up with various brands, and now for the exhaust system we have AWE. I'm super excited about this one because this is the first full sponsorship deal that anyone's worked with us on. Sarah from AWE has given us an opportunity to show what we can do with this channel and the exhaust system on the G87 M2. Right behind me is the full AWE suite of exhaust systems. We've got the two different systems that they have. We've got the track edition and the switch path edition as well. So we're gonna try and figure out which one is best for my scenario. What else can we say? Let's get right into it. We've got a lot to unpack here. As you know, the G87 M2 is a daily driver. So do I want a super crazy track exhaust system that's loud without the capability to turn on or off the valves, which could be a little too much, but I'd like to give it a try and see which one I prefer. Anyways, less talking, let's unbox the kit, see what all is in the box. It's been shipped. I'm super amazed by how fast Sarah was able to ship this out to me as well. Literally within 3 days, the kit was here. Wow, this one's super heavy, so we're gonna have to drag it. All right, let's get to these boxes. What do we have here? Sarah pretty much sent out the entire kit. So we've got 3 boxes. The first one, this is the switch path system with the main exhaust components. Then we've got the track edition pieces, and then we've got the mid pipe here as well. So this is essentially a cat pack system, which is going to sound pretty good. You know, I've talked to a bunch of people with the G80 platform or G8X platform, and they say for the most part, if you get a really good mid-pipe, you are going to get a really good sounding exhaust system. For me, as I've said before, it's not about the power, it's about the sound that it makes. I don't plan to track this car extensively in any way at all. It's more of a show car than it is a track car. So having the track exhaust may be overkill for the streets and for shows and so on, but that extra sound that you get, the free-flowing sound that you get with a track exhaust system, might be worthwhile. So we're going to try and install both of them and see which works. But in this one, we're just going to unbox it, show you what we have in the kit, and we'll go from there. Let's open this up. There is a lot of padding in here. Got one piece, put that here for now. This is pretty cool. So I guess this is all part of the valving. I'm no expert when it comes to this stuff, and Sean will know more. Let's just make sure we don't damage anything. It's nicely packaged, nicely padded, so during transport things don't move around and get damaged. Wow, yeah. There's a lot in here. So this is the rear portion of the exhaust system, and I'm guessing this is where all the valves go. So we're going to take the stock valves and valve motors and place them in here so it can actuate the motors accordingly. Look at the detail here, huh? Pretty high quality stuff. The welding is quite nice. They look good. They're going to go underneath the car. I'm not going to see majority of it, so let's put that right here. Oh. What else do we got in here? Got another piece here, the other section of it. Put that down there. Oh my. Look at this. We're just gonna have to go get all hands on. So we've got all of the installing accessories as well, the various clamps that we'll need for the install to happen. Little connector pieces, I guess. So we've got 2 of those in here. And the X pipe. Let's take it out. And you have the free-flowing muffler. Wow, that's the heavy piece. Wow, I didn't expect to have a workout, but check it out. AWE, pretty cool. Don't drop it. It's got a nice plaque on it that's been welded on as well, as you can see here. We'll get a close-up. There you go. That's box number 1. And then we've got a couple of accessories for install as well. That's in here. Let's see what we've got. Oh, these are the tips. Along with this, as part of the sponsorship piece, we've got the silver tips, and we've also got the black and diamond black tips as well. I think I'm going to use the black tips. I like the look of those better than the silver one. There isn't anything silver on the car, so I don't think I'll do the silver. I'll get to the black. I'll show you the black in a moment as well. It's one of the mid-pipe boxes. So let's get this back. Put that back in there. There you go. It's pretty cool. Put that back there. Or just here for now. And here's the second one. Oh. And that's it in this one. Well, here you go. This is the switch path system with the mid-pipe laid out on the floor. Obviously, I've got this all laid out incorrectly. That's up to Sean. He's going to show me how best to do it. But I wanted to show you the details on the welding. It's pretty nice. The center muffler here as well. I think it's going to maintain the stock cats and the black tips. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So the polish is quite nice. There's a sticker that comes with it as well. And they even packed me a lollipop here. So there you go. Black tips. The switch path system. The mid-pipe. And as we go. So this is the track edition setup. It's got a bunch of stuff in here for the install. I'm not going to quite unpack this yet. What do you all think? I can't wait to get this installed. It's going to be pretty awesome. Anyways, I'll wrap it up for this one. Look forward to the install video. Thank you all for watching. It's a quick unboxing video that I'm doing with the AWE exhaust system. I once again want to say thank you to AWE and Sarah for hooking us up with this kit, and looking forward to a good working relationship going forward. We're going to be making all kinds of content with this. Stay tuned for the sound video, the install video, and just in general enjoying this car with the exhaust system. The stock system is pretty good. It's got like a lot of burbles that sort of give it that sporty feel, but it's not loud enough from the outside. There's a lot of artificial sound that's being injected into the cabin that makes you feel like it's loud, but it ain't on the outside. It's kind of muted. So I want that exterior audio levels to pump up a level, and I think the AWE system is the right system to do that for my G87 M2. I'm sure everyone has their opinions on what works. I'm going to try this out. AWE has given us an opportunity to work with them. I'm going to take that and do a whole lot of content with it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this one. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, do all those things. The next video is going to be the install video, and I can't wait to hear what it sounds like. Thank you.